So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make this perfect pom-pom here. All you need is a cardboard sheet like this and a pair of circles. So the circumference of the circle is the final size of the pom-pom you will be getting. So decide on what size you want and cut two circles. I'm taking two strands of yarn here. So you can take same color yarn or different. It's up to you. I'll make a knot to join them together, and then we will take this card and wrap this around this cardboard for 80 times. The more you wrap, the stiffer and fluffier your pom pom will look. So wrap it as many times as you want, but for this project I'll be wrapping for 80 times. So I'll meet you after wrapping 80 times. I've wrapped the yarn around this 80 times. Now cut your yarn and take two strands of yarn. Take a good length of yarn to tie them, because you can use the same tail to attach this pom pom on your project like hat and all. So take two strands of yarn, insert this yarn here, tie a permanent knot like this. So after tying a permanent knot, slowly remove this. So cut your yarn cut the other side also. Shake your pom pom. So this looks not very stiffer. Now we will use these to give it a perfect shape. So for that, make a small hole in one and insert this here, and then take it and keep the other on top. Make sure they are aligned with each other. And now hold them and trim the excess yarn. So trim along the reference line. Now slowly take it out So you can see this side got the finishing, but this side, this is still lengthy ones. So what we will do now, we will slowly remove this. Now we will do the same this side. Now repeat the same, trim around this reference line. I'll be attaching this pom pom on this hat here. So I would like to attach temporarily because pom poms are not very good with washing. So I'm gonna attach it temporarily and show you how to attach them. Take a bigger needle like this. Take the exact center point and insert it here. After that, take the other end, insert it here, and then so you can see this is where I have inserted. Opposite to that, insert your hook and take the other yarn. And now turn your hat upside down and make a double bow. This is how your pom pom will look like.